Hi, my name is Zenita Collie, also known as Truly Talented Beauty, and I think that beauty is limitless, and I like to implement that in pretty much all the content that I create. I have this big puff on my hair, so I do like to play a lot with texture. I'm from Fort Lauderdale, Florida, also known as the Little Island. There's a lot of different cultures there, and I feel like being exposed to all those different cultures, the different islands, the different Caribbeans, and being that my family is from Jamaica, it's helped a lot with, creating I guess my kind of style. And I guess that's why I kind of like to dip in a lot of different things. I don't really like to stay just in one thing. I like to implement a lot of different aspects, whether it's makeup, whether it's texture, whether it's color. And I feel like, mixing everything together just really helps. So when it comes to my textured hair journey, I know the question that I always get is, when did you go natural? Have you always been natural your entire life? Or when did you know come back from a perm and stuff like that? And the fun fact is, I've been natural my whole life. I had one mishap where someone went in and just completely flat ironed my hair to the point where I discovered new curls, and I thought they were mine. They weren't. It was definitely heat damage, and because I had this kind of new problem to fix, this is where I was able to really, venture in what my hair needs. At first, I thought that going to the hairdresser, I found a new texture and maybe they unleashed some sort of different curl pattern I didn't know existed. But in reality, I was definitely heat damaged, and I had to find a way to, combat that and figure out what to do with my hair. And so, suffering from that, I really started to like look into products and look into what I was doing with my hair, understanding my hair, recognizing, that my hair might be a little fine, my hair might have a different porosity. And so things like that really intrigued me. So my relationship with Sally is like, that's kind of been like my ride or die. Like the person who kind of just introduced me to the world of textured hair products and just a lot of different hair products in general. When I wanted to venture into color, when I wanted to do something a little bit more professional, even cuts, and a lot of the tools that I started using, it all started with Sally. And so when I did realize that my hair was damaged, I realized like, whatever I was using before could not work for me right now, and I needed to figure out products. And so when I originally met Sally, I was in high school, talking about Sally like it's a person. But when I first had my relationship with Sally, it was when I was in high school. So my budget was pretty tight, and so going in, my first thing I was looking for was products that were affordable but still relatively good quality for my hair. And so that was the place where I'd go, and of course there were sales on sales on sales. So I would go in and I would get to try all of these different brands and be able to see like which ones my hair particularly catered more to, or what my hair actually took in. And so just being able to try out all those different products. And then when I was ready to try out color, I even went in and I was like, oh, they have developer, they have semi-permanent, demi-permanent colors. So it was just really cool to be able to kind of just switch aisles and figure out what I needed. If I needed something to detangle, I just go over to the other aisle, and if I needed, a quick trim and stuff like that, I would be able to go in and venture through Sally that way. So definitely in my time of crisis, Sally was there, and that's kind of like how our relationship started. When it comes to limitless beauty, this is an aspect where I kind of look at all things beauty, whether it's hair, whether it's makeup, and there's no rules to it. So, if you want to wear your hair big, you wear it big. If you want to wear your hair small, you wear it small. If you want to wear it to the side, wear it to the side with pride too. And also with makeup, I think, especially in the beauty industry, it's like a great place to be able to kind of venture into different things without rules. And honestly, it's whatever fits you. Different faces, different shapes, different textures, different tones. It's really nice to be able to go ahead and create something that fits you. One day I may want my hair way, and I might want all the attention on my face, and I want to play with color, and I want to play with designs, play with my eyes. Or other times I'll like to wear my hair big, wear it loud, wear it proud. And so being able to have that switch and not feel necessarily so boxed in by having a limitless approach towards beauty is something that I feel really helps me create the content that I enjoy, and I guess that other people enjoy as well. I would definitely say, regardless of where you start, the biggest thing when it comes to textured hair is kind of just learning what works for you, because my whole life I had natural hair, but my hair didn't start growing until I actually started learning about my hair and educating myself about the different products that my hair liked, that my hair reacted to, what it didn't like. And so I definitely say that when it comes to the textured hair process, I know there's a lot of voices out there, but you really have to listen to the one right up here, which is your own hair, and really see what it likes and what it will do for you. Once you have that relationship with your hair, then the options are definitely limitless.